Alright, so welcome to our today's tutorial where we want to explore VS Code now. So as you can see, it's on the same spot. After downloading and installing it, I left it here. So let's proceed from here. So just double click on it. By the way, for those who managed to download and install it, well done. This is the welcome interface. This is the interface that is going to welcome you. So what we want to do is to open a folder. So now when you check on my desktop here, there's a folder called HTML, and that's the one that we want to open, right? So you go to folder here, click on it. Once you click, select desktop. So I'm clicking on desktop because it's on the desktop where I have that folder. So I'll click the folder there and select it. So it's going to open within VS Code. Okay, then you want to select this folder here on your left, click there, and the folder opens. And in our folder, we had two files. So next to the folder there's a plus sign, and when you take your cursor there, it says new file. Secondly, there is another plus symbol there, and it says new folder. So what we want to create is the file within this folder. So click there, and let's create a file called test.html because we are just testing something. Okay, enter. Yes, so the file is created. Now I'll zoom in so that you can see the code that I'll be typing. All right, something like so. So now what I'll do is I'll type the HTML structure. So it's a less than symbol, exclamation mark. Then you type, doc type there, say doc type, and you say HTML like so. Now see what happens when I type HTML. Immediately I close it. See the closing tag for HTML. It is generated automatically, and this makes VS Code an amazing IDE. Enter, and after the HTML, I have to type head like so, and immediately you see that opens. Then within we want to have the title here, like I close it, you see that. Then we are going to have the body here, and yeah, open, less than symbol, type body. Immediately I close, you see that one there. So now I can type something, I can say heading 1, which is for heading 1. Okay, I'll do that. Then I'll say this is my first website like so, and then save. Okay, so before saving, you see there will be a white dot here. So when you save, it goes. Now before we run the code here, what you need to do is need to install one extension. Okay, so let me just zoom out a bit so that we see the icon for the extension. So on the left side here, this is the extension icon. Just click there so that you search and install one important icon. So the icon, the extension has opened. So click there and search for Live Saver extension. Okay, then select it. Once it opens, you should see this Live Saver here. In your case, you are supposed you see here it will be saying install. Just click there and wait for it to install. Once it installs, just close it there and click again on the same icon. And now what will happen is you find it at the bottom here, because this is the one that you'll be using now to open your code to view your website. So you come to where it says go live here. This will only appear after installing the extension there. So click here to open your website. There you go.